Have you ever held a piece of iron and wondered where it really came from? Not just from deep within the Earth, but from far beyond our planet? Now imagine this. NASA confirms that iron was formed in exploding stars, billions of light years away, yet a verse in the Qur'an, written over 1,400 years ago, says iron was sent down. Coincidence, or a cosmic truth hiding in plain sight? In the 57th chapter of the Qur'an, Surah Al-Hadid, literally named iron, there's a fascinating verse that states, "And we sent down iron, in which is great military might and benefits for the people." Quran 57:25. Now the phrase "sent down" caught the attention of both believers and scientists. At first glance, it could simply mean iron was provided for human use. But as our understanding of astrophysics grew, something remarkable came to light. NASA and astrophysicists today confirm that iron is not native to Earth. It wasn't formed here like many other elements. Instead, iron was created in the cores of massive stars through the process of nuclear fusion. But even these stars couldn't hold on to iron for long. When they reached the end of their life cycle, they exploded in spectacular supernovae, catastrophic cosmic events that scattered heavy elements, including iron, across the galaxy. These particles eventually became part of the dust clouds that formed our solar system, meaning the iron in your blood, the steel in your car, and the metal in our Earth originated from dying stars. That's right, the iron that's part of who we are came from space. This discovery is relatively recent in the history of science, confirmed through spectroscopy, meteorite analysis, and deep space observations. But how did a 7th century verse use such a specific phrase, "sent down," for a metal that literally fell from the heavens through meteorites and cosmic events? Some might argue that "sent down" is simply figurative language, meaning provided or bestowed. That's fair. But the Quran uses different language for items originating on Earth and things that are genuinely external. The precision of this phrasing has led many to wonder, could this be a subtle hint at a truth humanity wouldn't uncover for over 1,000 years? There's more. Meteorites rich in iron continue to land on Earth to this day. In fact, early civilizations often discovered iron through these space rocks before mining even became a thing. Ancient Egyptians, for example, referred to iron as metal from the sky. Today, science confirms they weren't wrong. Now, you don't have to be a physicist or a theologian to find this fascinating. Whether you see it as divine revelation, coincidence, or poetic language that aligns perfectly with modern discoveries, it's hard to ignore the intrigue. A book revealed in the desert to a man who couldn't read or write mentions the extraterrestrial origin of a metal that's critical to both civilization and human biology. So, did the Quran and NASA just agree on where iron came from? That's for you to decide. But one thing's clear. The deeper we explore the universe, the more we're reminded of how interconnected everything truly is. From ancient words to exploding stars, and from scripture to science. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmic connection between faith and physics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What should we explore next? Dark matter, black holes, or time relativity in the Quran? Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the universe leaves its fingerprints in the most unexpected places.